Find eigenvalues and eigenvectors of the matrix 3, 1, 6, 2. So let ఈ matrix ని A అనుకుందాం. Let A is equal to 3, 1, 6, 2. Now write the characteristic polynomial. So that A minus lambda AI. So apply lambda in matrix. So 3 minus lambda, 1, 6, 2 minus lambda. We have formula AD minus BC. So apply it on this matrix. So 3 minus lambda into 2 minus lambda minus 1 into 6. So now multiply 3 into 2 minus lambda into 3 minus 2 into lambda plus lambda minus into minus plus kada. So plus lambda into lambda, lambda square minus 6 1s are 6. So 3 2s are 6 minus 3 lambda minus 2 lambda plus lambda square minus 6. Now lambda square minus 3 lambda minus 2 lambda is minus 5 lambda plus 6 minus 6 cancels. Now lambda square minus 5 lambda. Now common lambda. So lambda into lambda minus 5 is equal to 0. Here we got lambda equal to 0 and 5. So eigenvalues are 0 and 5. Eigenfactor for lambda is equal to 0. So mod A minus lambda I into x is equal to 0. Now apply lambda value 0 in this matrix. So 3 minus 0, 1, 6, 2 minus 0. X place lo x1 and x2. Now 0 0 is equal to. So now rows and column multiply each other. So 3 into x1 plus 1 into x2 is equal to 0. So 3x1 is equal to x2 is minus 3x1. Now choose x1 is 1. It will give our vector eigenvector is 1 comma minus 3. Now eigenvector for lambda is equal to 5. Now apply this 5 in lambda place. So 3 minus 5, 1, 6. 2 minus 5. 3 minus 5 is minus 2, 1, 6. 2 minus 5 is minus 3. So write x1 value places x1 and x2. So now again column and row multiply each other. So minus 2 into x1 plus 1 into x2 is equal to 0. So minus 2x1 plus x2. So x2 is equal to minus 2x1. Now choose x1 is equal to 1. We have eigenvectors are 1 comma minus 2. So we got vectors v1 is 1 comma minus 3 and v2 is 1 comma minus 2. Thank you.